The three fund portfolio. What is it and how does it work? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. But before we do that, if you're new here and you never see my channel, my name's Elliot and I upload videos about investing, the stock market, and I do updates on my own portfolio, which is on the Robinhood app. So if that's something you enjoy, give this video a like, subscribe, and let's jump right into it. The three fund portfolio is an investment portfolio with US stocks, international stocks, and US bonds. Looking down at my phone, you can see the first fund is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, ticker symbol VTI. And when you invest in this one ETF, you're getting the total US stock market. And looking down at my phone for the 5 years, they're up 74%. Fund details. It was launched on 5/24/2001, and it has an expense ratio of 0.03%. So just remember, expense ratios, you want to try to keep those as low as you can. Holding breakdown. Tech makes up 29%, financials 12%, healthcare 12%, consumer 10%, industrials 9%, communications 8%, consumer defensive 5%, energy 3%, real estate 2%, basic materials 2%, utilities 2%. Top 10 holdings, you can see these are all huge companies: Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, Meta. And at the bottom, it has a total number of holdings of 3,733. So your money is very well diversified with this one ETF. Dividends is a dividend yield of 1.38%, annual payout of $3.54, 5-year growth rate of 4.71%, years of growth 3 years, last announced dividend was 91 cents, and they pay their dividend quarterly. The next fund is the Vanguard Total International Stock ETF, ticker symbol VXUS. And when you invest in this ETF, you're getting all the companies outside of the US market. And looking down at my phone, you can see they're up 13% in the last 5 years. Fund details. It was launched on 1/26/2011. Has an expense ratio of 0.08%. Holding breakdown. Financials make up 19%, industrials 15%, tech 13%, consumer 11%, healthcare 9%, basic material 7%, consumer defensive 7%, energy 5%, communications 5%, real estate 3%, utilities 2%. Top 10 holdings, you can see these are all well-known companies as well. Toyota, Samsung, and at the bottom you can see it has a total number of holdings of 8,598. Dividends has a dividend yield of 3.31%, annual payout of $1.98, 5-year growth rate 5.43%, years of growth 1 year, last announced dividend 22 cents, and they do pay that dividend quarterly. And the third fund we're going to talk about is the Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF, ticker symbol BND. And when you invest in this ETF, you're getting the total bond market. And looking down at my phone, you can see for the last 5 years, they are down 11%. Fund details, it was launched on 4/3/2007, and it has an expense ratio of 0.03%. Holding breakdown, almost 50% is made up of government bonds, followed by corporate bonds. And under the top 10 holdings, you can see the total number of holdings is 17,773. Dividends is a dividend yield of 3.32%, annual payout of $2.38, 5-year growth rate is down 2%. Years of growth 2 years, last announced dividend 22 cents, and they pay their dividend monthly. As far as asset allocation, it really just depends on the investor's age and risk tolerance. Younger investors may want to put more of their portfolio in the stock market funds. Older investors who are closer to retirement will likely want to put more money into the bonds. A few reasons why I like the three fund portfolio is you have a diversified portfolio containing over 10,000 securities, and it keeps fees to a minimum. All three funds have low expense ratios. It doesn't take long to build or maintain. All you need to do is keep your asset allocations where you want it. Or you could keep everything kind of equal at 33.33%. So if you found this video helpful, please take the time to give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what's your thoughts on the 3-fund portfolio. And is that something that you do? And we'll see you next time.